welcome back to my channel. It's one of my favorite times of the year. It is the FABFITFUN time. This box got to me yesterday, no, 2 days ago, and I'm really excited because I have not seen any. Oh, that's a lie. I watched one video because I had no idea, but I didn't finish the video because then I was like, I felt guilty. I like when it's a surprise because then my reaction is authentic. So this is the box for this month. Really pretty, summer, tropical. It says this is in partnership with the Eva Longoria Foundation, Global Gift Foundation, Girls in Action. Super cool. Got some scissors right here. Let's just cut right into it. Oh, so pretty. They do such a good job with packaging. You can't deny that they are just like great on their packaging. Okay, here we go. Let's break her open. Ooh la la, look at this. Okay, so right off the bat, I see this exfoliating foot mask. It soothes, softens with intense hydration. It's by Wish, and it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, D&T-free, petrochemical-free, cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified. And TMI, but I have the most dry feet in the world, and I need something like this. So I am so excited. So let's see how much this is. Okay, this is $32. Very excited to use that. How weird. How excited am I over a foot mask? Whoops. Okay, next I see a refining micro polish. That's just what it says. It smooths, exfoliates. It's a superfine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skin types. Ooh, I like it. This is by Intelligent Nutrients, and this is worth $57. Okay, so I guess this is for your face. It's like in French. Oh, it says apply to damp face and neck, massage gently, exfoliate dead surface cells, rinse product off, gentle enough to use daily. Avoid using on active breakouts. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Very excited. Put these back here. Love it. Okay, Grace and Stella Spray All Day. This is a rose spray, hydrating facial spray, and this is worth $25.95. And it says craving a midday refresher, just spritz the rose infused mist and it will leave you with fresh and moisturized face. This is really nice. I have something very similar, so this will probably be gifted, but I use the Mario Badescu facial spray, which I love, so I'm sure that this is amazing. So I'm not going to open it, but it sounds really nice. Then we have here the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and this is by Dr. Y. Alexandries. This diminishes appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, 24 karat gold to enhance skin radiance, to brighten an even skin tone, reinforces and protects skin barriers, and rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. I definitely need this. I never do masks like ever, so I should. I really need to. This, holy cow, this is worth $160. Okay, and there's 5 of these. I definitely have to use these. Laura-Lee, remember to use these. I just don't like them dripping down my neck. Okay, I'll get that after. I'm so excited, I think I know what's in here. Okay, I'll just move on to this one. Here is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is cute, another mask. I need to start using masks. This is worth $39. And it says packed with Davidson Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. Guys, so far, this has been the best skincare box ever. For real. I mean, 2 products. Actually, this product is more than I paid for the whole box. So that's pretty impressive. Okay, here we have the Ico London I Do Liquid Eyeliner in black. Awesome. I'm always looking for a good liquid eyeliner because I just am. This is nice. That's where I draw the line. It says it's waterproof, lash enhancing, and carbon black. Oh, I like the tip. Ooh, that's nice. Very intense. Ooh, I'm excited about that. My issue though, for real, is that I have very hooded eyes, and so I get a lot of transfer from the lash line to my lid. So I started doing a really thin line, which has helped. The only eyeliner that has worked to not do that has been the Kat Von D tattoo liner. So if I can find something else, because I find that one, it dries out really fast to me. I don't know if I just got a dud. This has happened to me a few times, and I'm finding it a little bit harder to work with than I used to. So I don't know if they changed formulas, but I'm excited to try this. This is worth $22, which is much better than what I paid for the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Okay. It's funny because I literally just purchased these, but these are the Invisibobbies, which I love. I literally just went to Ulta and purchased these. These are $16. I definitely didn't pay $16 for mine, but I will take these. They're in a really nice, like, nudie kind of color, and then clear. Can never have enough of those. Then, this is the Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono, and it's made of spun rayon fabric for cooling effect, and this is worth $60. So I don't know, so I guess this is a kimono, so something that you would wear with clothes, not a robe. This is kind of cute actually with jeans. It's very thin. Hey, I actually kind of like this. I don't own any kimonos, so I'm actually into that with like cute jeans and like a black tank or something. I love it. Cute. That's really cute. Okay, I didn't think I would be into that when I saw it, but I kind of am. Okay, this is what I was really hoping for. This is the Jennifer Zuner jewelry, and this is worth $50. Oh yes, I'm so happy. This is like a beautiful necklace, and let's see what it says. It says Starlight, Starbright. There are 1,000,001 ways to style this dainty, timeless necklace like this one. I am so into necklaces like this, and I've really been into stars lately, so you can't really see, but this is an adorable. Yeah, you can like wear it like a choker, or I don't know, but this is really, really pretty. So in love. That was it. That was the last thing. I thought there was something in there because it still has like a platform of cardboard. So that was it. There was a lot of other things that I could have got actually. There was like this little hair dryer in there, which kind of would have been nice, but I don't really use a hair dryer anymore, so what am I saying? You could have got these like silicone wine glasses, or the Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream, Dr. Rogers Healing Balm, or resistant bands, which I'm so glad I didn't get. I love this box. I know I say this every time, but this was my favorite box. This really was. Everything I loved. The only thing that I won't use is the rose spray, and that's literally because I just bought facial spray. So other than that, I will use everything. I loved everything. if this is a great value, and I have a discount code down below for you. So if you would like to get your first box discounted, click the link down below, head over there. I think it's so worth it. It's such a fun like little gift, and you could just do one or you could do the whole year. It's up to you. It comes quarterly and I think it's worth it. I get to try so many amazing products, and again, it's like Christmas every quarter. So I love it. I love it. I have nothing bad to say. There was a time when I was going to cancel it, but I'm not. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I will see you again